प्रिया, क्या हुआ बेटा?
Oh, Dadi, it's the same thing as last night. Same as the night before.
Perhaps they will call tomorrow, and if they don't, then it wasn't the job for you. You will be fine.
But I have been to so many interviews. My friends are all working. What's wrong with me?
It sounds like you are afraid. Everybody feels afraid sometimes. The question is, what will you do about it?
You would pray to Prabhu Ishu.
Yes, when I think about his promises, my peace comes back to me.
You have a story, don't you?
Oh, yes, I have a very good story.
I could use a good story.
I have told you before that many people followed Prabhu Yeshu on his travels, but most of them had no idea who he truly was. The Supreme Creator God Parameshwar was walking and talking with them. It took a long time for his Shishyas to understand, but one day, Yeshuji's great power got their attention. Yeshuji took his Shishyas in a boat to sail to the other side of the large lake to get a break from the crowd seeking him. Suddenly, the Shishya Peter felt a change in the wind. A storm was coming from off the hills. Peter did the only thing he could think of. He ran to Yeshuji to wake him. Guruji, do you not care that we are going to die? Prabhu Yeshu saw the Shishyas were frightened. So he stood and spoke with authority to the winds and the waves. Shanti, be still. Yeshuji saw his Shishyas were still frightened. He said to them, "Why are you so afraid? Why do you still not have faith?" They had not yet realized he had divine power over all things. Peter and the Shishyas asked each other, "Who is this man? Even the wind and the waves obey him." On the other side of the lake was a disturbed man from a different community. He was controlled by unclean, evil spirits. His friends and family tried to control him by chaining him. But he always broke free of the chains. The Shishyas did not want to even step onto the shore when they saw the disturbed man. The tormented man ran up to Prabhu Yeshu and said, "O Parameshwara Putra, Son of the Most High God, what do you want from us? Please don't punish us." With compassion in his eyes, Yeshuji asked, "What is your name?" The disturbed man said, "Our name is Invading Army." Because there were so many Dusht Atma in this man, the evil spirits begged, "Please do not send us into the dark abyss. Let us go into the pigs instead." Yeshuji spoke words of authority. He ordered the thousands of evil Ashuddh Dusht Atma to come out of the stranger. when the people saw what the Ashut Atma had done to their pigs, they begged Yeshuji to leave their community's side of the lake. The man was freed from the unclean evil spirits and wanted to follow Sanatan Guru Yeshu. But Prabhu Yeshu told him to stay with his family. He instructed this new Shishya to tell them everything Parameshwar has done for you and the great mercy he has shown you. This is a true story from God's holy book.
बहुत अच्छा. It must have been amazing for the man to be free of those evil spirits. And they never came back?
No, Yeshuji sent them away for good. He brings light and sends our fears away.
Can Yeshuji take away my fears about getting a new job?
Yes, he can. You just need to ask him.
I think I will ask him. Thank you, Dadi.
When your Dadaji and I first worshipped Prabhu Yeshu, we didn't know what our family would think. Sometimes I would worry, so your Dadaji would read me this story. Prabhu Yeshu calmed all our storms and brought us peace. I think he may even help me be a better Dadi. No?
Definitely.
Then perhaps you can sleep now?
But now I'm awake. Maybe we could talk a bit longer?
I would love to talk with you.
And maybe chai? Is it too late for chai?
It is never too late for chai.